I'm going to explain the relationship between delta TB and TF, delta TF. In this one, delta TB by delta TF is equal to KB by KF. The formula we can use, the relation between delta TF by TF. Now I am going to explain the fourth Collier property, that is osmotic pressure. The fourth Collier property, that is osmotic pressure. The fourth one Collier property, that is osmotic pressure. Now in this one, what is mean by osmosis? Osmosis, the spontaneous flow of solvent molecule from pure solvent to solution is called as osmosis. One more definition. Osmosis mean by from dilute solution to concentrated solution through semifer membrane is called osmosis. Next one, osmotic pressure. What is meant by osmotic pressure? Hydrostatic pressure is developed in the solution which is stop the osmosis is called osmotic pressure. Otherwise, one more definition also we can say, that is the pressure required to stop the osmosis is called as osmotic pressure. Now the pressure applied externally on the solution which just stop the osmosis is called osmotic pressure. Now reverse osmosis. What is meant by reverse osmosis? One more, that is reverse osmosis. Now if the applied external pressure on the solution the more than that of the osmotic pressure, then the flow of solvent molecule takes place from solution to solvent through the semifer membrane is called reverse osmosis. By using this method, pure water is prepared from the seawater. By using this method, when the two osmotic pressure of the solutions also we can compare each other. Now when their osmotic pressure is same, then the solution is called isotonic solutions. The solution which are having high osmotic pressure, then it is called as. Now according to Van 't Hoff is introduced the based on the osmotic pressure, the new concept, that is Van 't Hoff, that is Van 't Hoff Boyle's law. Van 't Hoff Boyle's law. At constant temperature, the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to its molar concentration. Osmotic pressure represented as pi, molar concentration symbol Cm. At constant temperature is called as Van 't Hoff Boyle's law. Now from the Van 't Hoff Boyle's law, pi directly proportional to Cm, molar concentration at constant temperature. Now changing the osmotic pressure, pi 1 by pi 2 is equal is a Cm1 by Cm2. Now we can write as pi, with this is a different method. Pi directly proportional molar concentrations, number of moles by volume. Now we know already number of moles by volume. Now we can write as pi v is directly proportional to n. Now if you remove the proportional, we will get a constant, that is from this equation. Now pi 1 v1 is equal to pi 2 v2. This is also one more equation. Now one more, the concept was introduced by Van 't Hoff, that is Van 't Hoff, Gay-Lussac, law. According to Gay-Lussac's law, now osmotic pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant molar concentration. Now we can write a change the osmotic pressure pi 1 by pi 2 is equal to T1 by T2. Pi 1 by pi 2 is equal to T1 by T2. Now from this both equation we can write as pi directly proportional to Cm and pi directly proportional to T. And finally we can write as pi directly proportional to Cm and T. Remove the proportionality, will get constant pi is equal to, that is a constant S, and CMT. Now you can write as this one, number of moles by volume and ST. Now pi V is equal to NBST. Now NB also we can write pi V is equal to weight of compound by molecular weight of compound into S into T. This is the formulas we can use for the calculation. The S is a molar solution constant. And also we have other formulas also. We have the pi is equal to strength of the solution into ST by MB. These are the standard formulas, very important. And pi is equal to one more formula, weight by volume percentage into 10 by MB into ST, constants they are. Next one, the one more formula also we can use, pi is equal to N into equivalent weight by molecular weight into ST. This is also one formula. These all formulas are we can use for the calculation of osmotic pressure of the solution. These all formulas are we can use for the, and also here constant, the values of S we can write as like are 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse K inverse. Now otherwise one more formula we can write, that is 82.1 mole ATM mole inverse Kg inverse. These are the formulas we can, the values we can use in place of S, molar solution constant, that is S.